Hola, Chef Buck here, and today I'm going to cook up a real quick recipe because I'm all on my lonesome. Camera girl is off, enjoying life, drinking the lees from the dregs, and I'm just stuck here with some eggs. So that's what I'm going to make. I'm going to make a quick garlic egg dish, kind of an olive oil fried egg, but with lots of garlic because olive oil and garlic go together and eggs go with anything. So I got some stuff set up here. I'm going to do the stove on medium-high heat. Look at this fancy stove. It's cooking in the future. And since I'm just going to do one egg, I'm just going to use this super duper dinky pan. And this is a green pan, a green non-stick skillet. You can use any kind of skillet you want. But we're in a house sit, and they got these really nice non-stick pans I've been enjoying, so I'm going to use that. And I got one little eggy poo, and I'm going to throw this egg just on some salad greens, just with some tomatoes and some spinach. I'm going to cook it in olive oil, so that's going to be the dressing for my salad too. A little earlier I cooked up some chicken sausage, but I've had plenty of that. So I'm all chicken sausaged out. So my skillet is heating up, and I'm going to put some olive oil in here. And this is some first cold press, blah, 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 fancy pants olive oil, which isn't ideal for frying, but we're not going to cook this for very long. In fact, I'll put a dish dash of some extra light olive oil in there, and you could use whichever one of these you wanted to. And I really got too much olive oil in there for just this little dinky-doo salad and one egg. Well, that's okay. Maybe I'll have some left over, or maybe I'll go ahead and use it all. Anyway, because olive oil, that's healthy. Olive oil's not going to hurt me. What's going to hurt me is all the chocolate I got in the fridge. I bought a bunch of chocolate today. I went to the store by myself because I don't have camera girl. And I bought a bunch of dark chocolate because dark chocolate is supposed to be healthy. So you find something, we're on this health kick lately, but you find something that you think is healthy, and then you immediately start to abuse it. Like chocolate's not healthy, even if it is dark chocolate. And if it was healthy, well, the amount that I'm going to eat sort of negates that. I don't know. That was just a diatribe. I don't know. I didn't need to do that, but we're waiting for the olive oil to heat up, so I got to say something, right? Nobody wants to just look at oil. But my oil's heating up, and to my oil, I'm going to add some garlic. I probably got 4 cloves of garlic, and I went ahead and minced some up kind of fine, and then I got some big chunks here too. Let me throw this in here and see how my oil is doing. Looks like it's hot enough. So I'll throw all of that in here, and I'll just stir it around and get my oil mixed up with my garlic. So that'll flavor up my oil. And then I'm going to move it off to the side just a wee little bit and toss my egg in here. And I could do this, like I said, in a bigger skillet and do more than one egg, but one egg's going to be plenty enough for me. Oops, almost lost it. Be careful and don't break my yolk because I want it to look pretty. And basically what I'm going to end up here is with a sunny side up egg. Now usually I don't cook eggs in olive oil. But I've been trying to use olive oil more. I mean, we've really gone crazy on this house sit here, trying to be healthy. Not even eating much bread. So we're just cooking our egg, and I'm going to take a little bit of my oil and just sprinkle it on the top of my egg, just to cook the whites. But I'm not going to put any on the yolk. We want to preserve the yolk as much as possible. That's really looking terrific, and it smells terrific too. So I've just had this cooking here for a couple of minutes. And you can see it's got a little kind of a crispy edge to it. And you could cook it and make it as crispy as you like. But I think this is going to do it for me. So let me see. I'm going to go ahead and get my egg out of my skillet and put it on my salad. Boom, boom, boom. And look, oh shoot, let me do this here. Let me get it off of my salad. And I'll go ahead and I will take all of my oil, my garlicky oil, and I'm just going to throw that on my salad. Boom, boom, boom. And that's going to be my dressing. And I'll just lay my egg on top here. And plus I'll have the creaminess of my yolk. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt on here. Let me do some cracked pepper as well. Because that tastes great, but it also looks really nice as well. I got me an olive oil fried garlic egg, or a garlic fried olive oil egg, or an egg fried up with olive oil and garlic. Doesn't that look delicioso and healthy? Let me crack my yolk here. Look at that nice creaminess. That's going to mix in with the olive oil, make me a really nice dressing for my salad. Look at that. Nice tomato, some egg yolk, some spinach, some creaminess, some olive oilness, some fried garlickiness. I might have to make another one of these. I was thinking one egg would be enough, but maybe 2 eggs is what I'm looking for, because this is going to go too fast. What I'd really like to have with this is a nice piece of toast. But I guess my plan is to try to get into some size 32 pants. Can I do that? I mean, at one point I was in size 40 pants, and then over the years I've slowly gone down to where I'm kind of comfortable in 34s. Can I get to 32s? I don't know if I can do that and eat bread. We'll see. Maybe I should just be happy in 34s. I just want to get to 32, and then maybe I'll go back to 34. You got to have plans in life. You got to have goals. You know, a long time ago, I just wanted to kiss a girl. Eventually I kissed a girl. I wanted to get a red bicycle. I got a red bicycle. I wanted to go backpacking. I went backpacking, Now I want to put on some size 32 pants and breathe. So, I don't know. The key to happiness is having achievable goals. But thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate it. Camera will be here, back here in the next couple days, and make these videos a little more watchable. I hope. But until then, just keep twiddling your toes, and I'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.